Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a JetBeam Jet-II Pro. Now I was sent this by gearbest.com, comes in this package. They wanted me to test and review this, so let's wait no further, let's open it up and see what's in. Comes with a warranty card. Comes with a lanyard here. Comes with an extra O-ring. And then it comes with a user manual here. And we're going to go ahead and go over the specs here. As you can see, it puts out 510 lumens on high. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the light. And there it is. I like that stainless steel bezel on that, it's really nice. Stainless steel clip on there. Excellent style and design on this. I like that clip, it's actually around the base of the light, so it's not going to come off if it's just clipped on there. Very nice. That's the side switch there. A little bit of knurling here. And I've really got to say, the machining and finish on this is outstanding. Okay, well, they've included a strike bezel for this, so you're going to take off the current bezel that's on there now, this ring, and now you can add this ring on there to give it that strike for self-defense. Hitting somebody with that, these are pretty sharp here, so it's going to cause a lot of damage. Plus a lot of pain. Just thought I'd show that to you. Very nice and unique. Crazy EDC on that. Man, that's really... This would definitely start a conversation, just someone seeing it. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up and I'll show you the spring here on the tail cap there. And I'll show you the cell that I'm going to be using is the eFast. This is 700 milliamp. This is a protected cell. Flat top. I have really good luck with these. I use them all the time. Straight contact point down in there, as you can see. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put this back together here. Okay, now that we've got this all back together, let's go through the UI. There's two groups of user outputs that you can use. One has high and low, and the other one has medium, high, low with strobe. So let's go ahead and show those to you now. We're going to turn on the light. And then to go through the outputs, you're going to press and hold to go through that light outputs. Or you can just hold the button down. And that's the highest level there. And as you can see here, Real nice hot spot on here, and goes to the spill. You can see the strike bezel shadows on there. If you don't want to use that strike bezel, you can take that off and use the original ring. Okay. A lot of light coming out of that. Alright. Now in order to get to the special mode of strobe, you have to do a triple click on the side switch. And that is a constant speed strobe. Pretty blinding on that. Then of course you can click that once to turn it off. Turn that back on to go through the light outputs. Now in order to change the mode, you're going to press and hold one off, and you'll see those 3 blinks there. Okay, now that we've turned the other mode on here, in order to turn on the light, you actually have to double press. Double press will turn on the light, comes on low. So it's a little more safer to hold it in your pocket. Then of course you can press and hold that to go to the next light level on that. And then of course it goes right back down to the lowest. So you only have 2 light outputs on this. You have the highest, and then you have the real low mode. And that's all there is on this mode. So it's real easy to use when you have it. Now when you want to go to the other mode, from off, you're going to press and hold this light till it comes on. And now you're back on the other mode. Rather, the other mode blinks 3 times. Now you know you're in the other mode by going ahead and pressing hold, and you'll see the additional light outputs. And this does have memory mode on it, so if you turn it off, turn it back on, it does memorize your last light output. That's really nice. And that's all there is to this light. Simple and easy to use, but look at the looks on that. What a conversation piece. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the little JetBeam here. We're going to go ahead and turn it on here. You can see around here easily 15-20 feet, and it is making 35 feet there. That's really good on the water spout there. Faintly making the tree there, and that's 65 feet. There it is on the fence line, showing you the beam. Alright, we're going to go up to the next level here, and it goes to high and goes down through the UI. So that's the highest output there, and it is making it across the park, as you can see. There, all from this little tiny light. "65 feet to that tree there, tree line, fence line." It's got some really good throw and a nice wide spill on that. I'm going to pan around here a little bit. Easily making, look at all that spill there. It's making all the way to 138 feet to that tree of life. Excellent. Now with the strike bezel on here, you're cutting out on the spill a little bit, so thought I'd try the beam without it. For the looks of it, I like the strike bezel, but for performance, definitely want to do without. Alright, so we're going to go down to the next level from here, and that's medium. Still got some good light output for this, at this light output level. Still making the tree of life there, as you can see faintly. And then one more time, we'll go back to the lowest light output. And that's the lowest light output where we started from. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots on this little guy. Now, I took the strike bezel off to get the best beam profile out there in the dark. And this thing is an amazing light, especially in build quality, just in style and design alone. But the light output is very nice on this, and even the hotspot on this is able to throw quite a ways. So I got to take my hats off to JetBeam on this one. This is really a nice light. Definitely a collector's EDC. Man. Now I want to thank GearBest for sending me this to review. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.